Hello friends. So in the last video, we saw like how to query a child component using ViewChild decorator, right? Also, we saw a problem where when there are multiple components or an array of a component. When we try to use ViewChild, it basically gives the first child, right? Only the first child, and not the rest of the childs. So in this scenario, we use another decorator which is known as ViewChildren decorator. So if you're not watched the ViewChild uh, video, the previous video, how you want to know how ViewChild works to query a component in the parent. So you can watch the videos. I have put in the pin. Okay, so let's proceed with ViewChildren. So for ViewChildren, we need to use ViewChildren decorator. Here we will pass the component name which we want to query. And then we will use a query list, because since we are querying an array of a component, right? It's a list of a component, so we will use query list, and this we will pass of type card component. So yeah, so this is the code, and what we will try to console this cards. So we'll console and see what we get, right? So save. So this code is written on card emitter. So we'll click this button, and here we can see query list. So if you see, so these are some of the properties of a query list, right? First, that means the first component in the list, first object in the list, last object. And here's the length of the list. It found 3 cards. And then in the results, we find all the components one by one array, right? Card 1, card 2, and card 3. Okay. So that's all. I think so. ViewChildren is used basically to query an array of a component. Where it is used or which scenario we can use it, we will talk later on in the videos. So this is just the brief introduction of how you can query child elements inside a component. Thank you. See you in the next video.